Hi students, last class we have to see quadratic polynomial equation to find sum of zeros and product of zeros, and then by using sum of zeros and product of zeros we find the quadratic polynomial equations. So before that we have to find sum of zeros and product of zeros. We find the factors by using that splitting the middle term by product of the last term and then sum of middle term, we find the factors. So the same type we find the factors by using this tiles. So this square tiles mention x square. So this violet color all are mentioned positive, that means plus symbol. This rectangular tiles indicates x plus x, and then the small pieces of squares consider plus 1. So this is x square, x, and then plus 1. The same way the opposite contrast color red. So the red always we take it as negative. So minus x minus 1. By using this type of tiles, now we have to see how to find the factors for quadratic equations. First question, 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Here constant term and the next term it's jumbled here, so I have to rearrange it. 6x square minus 7x minus 3. So we need x square tiles 6 and then x tiles 7 and then 1 unit tiles we need 3. So all are in negative. So first I have to take 6x square. So plus 6x square. So I have to arrange this x square tiles. So 6x square 1, 2, 3 and then 4, 5, 6. And then another thing, you have to arrange these tiles. It should be completed the molded rectangular shape or molded square shape without any gap. And another thing, you have to arrange the positive tiles in one side, negative tiles in another side. So next we have to arrange the units. So minus 3. So minus 3 we indicate this negative tiles. 1, 2, 3. I have to mention here. Negative tiles. 1, 2, 3. So this is the portions for x. Already we need minus 7x. So I take minus 7x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I will take 7x. But you have to think 1, 2, 3. It's completed here by using 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally we need 9 tiles. So what we have to do? We have only 7 tiles, but we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this first one, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we need remaining 2 tiles. So because of that, I have to take 1 negative tiles and then 1 positive tiles. Why 1 negative tiles and then 1 positive tiles? Because it becomes 0. It becomes 0 means the remaining values doesn't change. Now you think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we get 9 tiles. But one restriction. We have to arrange positive tiles in one side, negative tiles in another side. So I have to arrange this one here like this. Because of positive tiles only 1. So I will take. So we need another one positive tiles. We need another one positive tiles. So I have to take another positive tiles means in the same manner I have to take another negative tiles. 1 negative, 1 positive becomes 0. 1 negative, 1 positive become 0. Now you have to arrange it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one as usual our question tiles. We have to take another 2 more negative tiles. 8 and then 9. Because of the 2 negative tiles, we have the positive tiles here. So now you see, is there any gap? Nothing is there. It should be completed. It is completed now. Okay, so this side we say it as x, and this one also x, and then 1 1. Now you consider 1 2 3, so 3x and then plus 1, 3x plus 1, and then here 2x minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, so 3x plus 1, 2x minus 3 is the factor. So this is the question. Now already I write the answers here, so just I have to show whether is it right or wrong. 1 2 3x plus 1 is one of the factor, and then 2x minus 3 is the another factor. So 6x square minus 7x minus 3, the factor for this quadratic equation, 2x minus 3, 3x plus 1. Okay, second question, x square plus 7x plus 10. Here only one x square, x tiles we need 7, and then unit 10, all are positive, so I have to take 1 x square and then 7x. Before that I have to arrange this tiles into 5 5 or 2 5, whatever it is. 1 2 3 4 5. So another 5 I will arrange it here. 1 2 3 4 and then 5. So now you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Already we need only 7 tiles, so it's completed. So we have to arrange this 7 tiles. So all are positive. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then 7. Now we completed everything, so there is no gap at all. So now we conclude the solution. So now we conclude the solution. Here x 1 2 3 4 5, so x plus 5, and then here x plus 2. Whether we take here x plus 2 and then here x plus 2, both are same. So x 1 2 3 4 5, x plus 5 and then x plus 2, x plus 5 and x plus 2 is the factor for this x square 7x plus 10. And then another thing, you have to arrange here 2x and then you have to arrange here 5x. Now you add 2x, positive 2x, positive 5x, we get plus 7x. Is it right? So our arrangement is correct. Next we need a 10. So plus 2 plus 5, we get plus 10. Once you have to arrange the tiles, it should complete manner. Just you have to check the sum, the middle term, the sum should be correct or product is correct. First you have to check. So plus 2x plus 5x plus 7x. 2 into 5, 10. Both are plus 10 and then plus 7. Now the value x plus 5, x plus 2. Answer x plus 5, x plus 2. This is the factor for x square plus 7x plus 10. Next we move on to third question. Okay, third question, x square minus 2x minus 8. So now we move on to arrangements. So x square, here minus 8, so we need a negative square, minus 8. So 1 2, before that we need a minus 2x, minus 2x. So only 2x, we can't arrange it here, we need one gap, so we arrange it like this. So now you see it's completed, but remaining 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So when 8 tiles is there, we need 8 ones, so we arrange only 1. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need 7. So I have to arrange it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. So what are the possibilities? 1, 2, 3, 4 tiles we need. How many tiles? 4 tiles we need. So already we have 2x. I have arranged this 2x. Okay. And the next possibilities, we need another x. Here 3x. Totally we need 4x. Because of that, we won't take 4 negative. Because I have to take this 4 negative means the value of this quadratic equation change. Because of that, already I told, we take 2 negative tiles and then 2 positive tiles. It becomes 0 means there is no changing of value. So already I told, arrangements of positive tiles and negative tiles should be in the same side. So I remove this negative side, negative tiles, because we have 4 negative tiles. I arrange it here, 4. And then we have 2 positive tiles. I arrange it here. Now is there any gap? Nothing is there. Only simple modification, we have to add extra 4 tiles. 1 negative, 1 positive, 1 negative, 1 positive. Now it's completed. X minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. X minus 4 is one of the factor. And then x plus 1 plus 2. X plus 2 is another factor. So quadratic equation, we want 2 factors. So x minus 4 and then x plus 2 is the factor for x square minus 2x minus 8. So now we check. X minus 4, x plus 2. We get the solution. Next, fourth question. 3x square plus 5x minus 2. So we need x square times 3. And then x times 5. So plus 5x. So I have to take plus 5x. So we need minus 2 because of this minus 2. So 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. It's completed. Now you see, easily we get the answer. But already I told you have to check with your question. Now you have to see 1, 2, 3 plus 3. 1, 2 plus 2. So 3 into 2 we get plus 6. Here what to do? Minus 2 is there. Plus 3. Plus 3 into minus 2, what we have to get? Minus 6. We need a minus 6. But we get plus 6. And then we have plus 5x. So plus 3x plus 2x. So the center term 5x is okay. Is it correct? But we need minus 6. But we get only plus 6. Because of that we have to make an rearrangement. So now we need how many tiles? 1, 2. How many tiles? We need 2 tiles. So what we have to do? Because of this, I have to take 2 positive tiles. The value of this quadratic equation change. Because of that, 1 positive tile, 1 negative tiles. Already I told, positive in one side, negative in another side. So negative goes here and then positive. Now you look, minus 1 plus 6. Minus 1 into 6, minus 6. Minus 1 plus 6. We get plus 5. So now also you get plus 5x and then minus 6. So always you complete this square tiles. Before you write the answer, just you have to check your arrangement is perfect or not by using multiple this 2 and then add. So plus 6 minus 1 we get 5. Plus 6 into minus 1 minus 6. Now what's the answer? 1, 2, 3. 3x here minus 1. 3x minus 1. X 1 2. X plus 2. So 3x minus 1. X plus 2 is the factor for 3x square plus 5x minus 2. Now 3x minus 1 x plus 2. So okay students, this is your tiles method to find factors for quadratic equations. You have to choose any 3 questions from your exercise other than what are the questions I do it in this video. Other than questions you have to take it and you have to make tiles whatever colors you have to use for positive tiles and negative tiles, but the measurement, this one should be, you take any of the measurement, but this one is become 1 unit because it 1 into something we get. So I take x measurement, 1 into x, x, because of that you have to take, like, so square already you know that you have to measure all the sides equal. So you have to cut this type of big square tiles for x square and then rectangular tiles for positive negative. You have to choose any color for positive tiles and then negative tiles. In the same manner this unit tiles for positive and negative, you have to cut it. You have to choose any 3 questions from your exercise other than what are the sums. I have to do it here. You take any sheets, whether it's short paper or A4 sheet, you have to write the question and make an arrangement. You have to paste that arrangement before. For example, you have to arrange like this. So this is the last question I have to show you, no? So you write the answer, you put the line 1 and then 2. Okay, you put the line top and then here. So you write x minus 1, 3x minus 1, x plus 1 plus 1, x plus 2. You write the answer here and here. Finally, in down to this position, you write the answer. You write the question 3x square 5x minus 2 which is equal to 3x minus 1 into x plus 2. You have any doubt, just you have to message me. I will clear your doubts. Thank you so much.